Good day, everyone. We are the Group 5. Today, we'll be discussing a major cybersecurity incident that affected millions of Filipinos, the PhilHealth Medusa ransomware attack. In this presentation, we'll explain how ransomware works and what happened during the Medusa attack, its impact, and what steps can be taken to protect against such threats in the future. The PhilHealth Medusa attack is a type of attack we call ransomware, where hackers lock or steal an organization's data and demand money in exchange for restoring access. The PhilHealth Medusa attack happened on September 22, 2023. The Department of Information and Communications Technology, or the DICT, was aware of the attack as early as 9 a.m. and has been actively coordinating with PhilHealth to assess the impact and secure compromised systems.
Target. The ransomware attack on PhilHealth is the latest in a series of cyber attacks targeting government agencies and businesses in the Philippines. The cybercriminal group Medusa infiltrated PhilHealth systems on September 22, 2023. They deployed ransomware to encrypt files and demanded a ransom for the decryption keys, threatening to leak sensitive data if their demands were not met. The attack compromised data stored on several of PhilHealth's servers and local workstations.
The Medusa ransomware had two major impacts. First, there was operational disruption. The cyber attack paralyzed their systems, causing major service interruptions and a data breach. Second, we had a serious case of information leakage. Over 622 gigabytes of sensitive data, including personal and transaction details of around 8.5 million senior citizens, was stolen and leaked after PhilHealth refused to pay the ransom of $300,000.
For the attack methodology, the attackers likely gained entry through one or more methods, such as first as exploiting exposed remote desktop protocol or RDP servers by performing brute force attacks on publicly accessible RDP servers. Attackers were able to gain unauthorized access. Second is exploiting unpatched vulnerabilities. They took advantage of known security flaws in outdated software or systems. Notably, PhilHealth's antivirus software license had expired 6 months prior to the attack, leaving its systems unprotected and more susceptible to intrusion. Once inside the network, the Medusa ransomware exhibited the following behaviors. First, lateral movement, Philippine News Agency. The malware spread across the network using protocols like Server Message Block or SMB and Windows Management Instrumentation or WMI, thus infecting additional machines. Second, file encryption, Manila Bulletin. It encrypted files on compromised systems, appending a Medusa extension and left ransom notes titled Read Me Medusa, demanding payment for decryption. And lastly is the data exfiltration, Philippine News Agency. Sensitive data was extracted from the network with threats to publish the information if the ransom wasn't paid.
During the 2023 Medusa ransomware attack on the Philippine Health Insurance Corporation, several prevention and mitigation measures were implemented to contain the breach, restore operations, and enhance cybersecurity defenses.